Just received your new Citibank debit card and eager to start using it? Well, you're in exactly the right place. Welcome to today's explainer. We're going to walk you through every single step necessary to get that card activated online quickly and seamlessly. No guesswork, just a straight shot to getting your new financial tool up and running. Because let's face it, online banking is really all about convenience and security, right? It gives you real-time control over your money. So if you're holding that envelope right now and wondering, okay, what's next? We have got you covered. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with getting ready to activate, then move into our step-by-step activation guide, troubleshooting common activation issues, maximizing your card's features, securing your digital banking, and wrap up with some final tips and our disclaimer.
All right, Section 1, getting ready to activate. Let's dive right into this.
Okay, before you even open up your browser or your app, you're going to want to gather a few things. You absolutely need your physical card in hand, because you're going to need that 16-digit number, the expiration date, and the CVV security code on the back. You'll also need your social security number or your ITN, and of course, a reliable internet connection. Grabbing all of this right now is absolutely crucial. Trust me, you do not want to be frantically searching through a desk drawer for your tax ID while the activation page times out on you.
Section 2, Step-by-Step Activation Guide. So here's the core of the process, and honestly, it's surprisingly simple. Step 1, just navigate over to citi.com/activate on your computer, or just open up the Citi mobile app on your phone. Step 2, sign in with your existing login info, or quickly register if you need to. Step 3, the system is going to prompt you to type in those card details we just got ready. And finally, Step 4, to keep everything safe, Citi does a quick identity verification by sending you a one-time password. That might come via text, email, or an automated call. It is a super smooth, really secure flow. Now, here's a little detail that actually trips up a lot of new customers. If you are a first-time user, you have to register for online access. But you might be thinking, wait, I don't even know my checking account number yet. Well, no worries at all. You can seamlessly register using just the 16-digit number right there on the front of your new debit card alongside your social security number. It completely bypasses the need for any messy paper documents. And the best part? Zero. That is exactly how many minutes you have to wait once you finish this process. There's literally a 0-minute delay. The exact second you verify that one-time password, the system flips your physical card to active. Boom, it's ready to use right then and there. Section 3, Troubleshooting Common Activation Issues. So what happens if things don't go perfectly? Have you ever hit submit and the page just endlessly reloads, looping you right back to the login screen? It's incredibly frustrating. But hey, it's actually a super common glitch that is really easy to fix. That infinite loop is almost always caused by local cookie conflicts in your browser. The brilliant quick fix for this? Just clear your browser's cache and cookies. Or, honestly, even faster, just pop open an incognito or private browsing window. This forces your browser to ignore any old conflicting data and gives you a brand new clean connection to the server. But what if you're trying to do this on your phone and the Citi mobile app is the thing crashing or throwing weird error messages? Mobile hiccups usually just come down to outdated software or some corrupted data. So here are your rapid-fire fixes. First, check the App Store or Google Play to make sure you're running the absolute latest version. If it's updated and still crashing, try clearing the app cache in your phone settings. And if all else fails, just uninstall and reinstall the whole app. That's going to guarantee a totally clean, uncorrupted connection to Citibank. Oh, and let's quickly address that super annoying invalid card information error. You're staring right at the card, you know the numbers are right, but the computer says you're wrong. Why does this happen? Well, usually it's because autofill programs or copy pasting can accidentally add invisible spaces into the text boxes. So always type your card details in manually to avoid these phantom errors. Section 4, Maximizing your card's features. Now for the fun stuff. Activating your card actually unlocks a bunch of real-world benefits right away. You can instantly add it to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. You can use Tap to Pay for lightning-fast checkouts at the store. You can effortlessly set it up to handle your recurring internet or utility bills so you never miss a payment. You even get access to Citi Entertainment pre-sales for concerts and sports. These are the real, tangible rewards of getting this digital setup done. Speaking of Tap to Pay, let's clear up exactly how that contactless feature gets activated. If you did the setup online or on the phone, your digital account is totally ready. But the physical chip actually needs one more little step. All you got to do is physically insert, or dip, the card into a payment reader at a store or at a Citibank ATM and enter your PIN just one time. That single physical action finalizes the setup. From then on out, you can just tap and go. Section 5. Securing your digital banking.
Now let's talk security, because this is empowering stuff. Citi Quick Lock is a brilliant digital tool you can trigger right from the app or website. If you ever misplace your card, you can lock it instantly. But here's the absolute genius part. It only blocks new purchases and cash advances. Your recurring payments keep going without a hitch. So you're protecting your lost card without suddenly canceling your Netflix subscription or your automatic internet bill. It's such a smart, incredibly helpful feature.
And honestly, understanding how to spot a scam is your absolute best defense. Always remember this. Citi will ask for your standard login info on their official site, and they will send you one-time passwords. But they will never ask you for things like crypto wallet recovery phrases, they won't ask for remote access to your computer, and they will never ask for your personal email password. Knowing the difference between standard procedure and a massive red flag keeps you totally safe.
Section 6. Final tips and disclaimer.
Just a quick, important reminder before we wrap up. This content is for informational purposes only. Digital interfaces and specific procedures may vary over time. Please always reach out to Citibank directly or visit their official website for the most current information and personalized advice regarding your accounts. All right, you've gathered your info, you've conquered the digital setup, you know how to troubleshoot the annoying glitches, and your account is locked down and secure. So, now that you are fully activated, what is going to be the absolute first purchase you make with your newly accessible funds? Think about it, enjoy that new convenience, and thank you so much for joining us on today's Explainer.